Hi, welcome back to Guitar Explorer. My name is John Stockdale. Let's use Autumn Leaves as a song to help us memorize the root on every string of 4 different chord shapes. Major 7, dominant, minor 7, and minor 7 flat 5, which we can call the minor 6 with a 6 in the bass. But for this exercise, we'll use, instead of saying A minor 6 over F sharp, we're just simply going to say F sharp minor 7 flat 5. Just for right now. The key is E minor. Its relative is G major. In that case, I'm starting with the 2 chord. A minor 7 with the root on string 6. Now I'm going to play 6 different ways. I'm going to play Autumn Leaves. I'm going to play those 7 chords with the root on every string. Okay, so if I started with A minor 7, I would play 2 notes in major scale, G major scale going up. Next note higher than A is B, and I play the note C. And I just play those 2 melodic tones. Those melodic pitches are going to lead me to the note D, and that's where my chord's going to be. Okay, so 3 single notes going down. So I'm not going to start on the note D. I'm going to start on the note C right behind it. C, B, A. Those are my 3 notes. So I go down a whole step. I play the note G, and that's my chord. 2 notes up, A, B, and then C is the 4 chord. So I play major 7. Go behind the note C and start on B, B, A, G, F sharp, and play the chord. 3 notes, 3 single pitches, and when I land on that 4th one, I play the chord. 2 notes up, above F sharp is G, G, A, those are my 2 single notes. I play the B7, the dominant 3 chord, or it came from the 5 of the E minor that we're going to resolve to, and we're going to play C sharp, D sharp, and then we're going to use we'll talk about that type of scale, where it came from, and the borrowed chord in another episode. And now we're going to put the root on the A string and do the same thing. So thanks for joining me here, and I'll see you on the next journey. I hope that you hit the like and subscribe button, and have a great day.